You did it. You are on the opening page of GarageBand. So if you clicked anything but empty project, you're going to see all these different tracks here. So make sure you clicked empty project. Okay, first things first, what are all these buttons? One is on the top left, right up here. It's called the help button. If I click on it, now it tells me what everything is. So these are the tracks, obviously stop button, play button, record button. This is what my tempo is. This is a count-in button if I want to record something. And the button you're going to want is this guy right here, the loop browser button. When you click on it, ta-da, you have all of these different pre-recorded sounds. So once you have found one that you like, notice I'm just clicking on them to see what they all sound like. But let's say I want to start with beats. So once I found one that I like, perfect, cool. It's a click and drag process. So I click and I drag. Notice I'm not able to put it up here. I have to put it below. Totally fine, not an issue. So, and I start on 1. Okay, these are all the different bars. This is how long your piece is going to be. So right now I see this loop is 2 bars long. Well, I don't want it 2 bars long. I want it to keep going. So loop pointer. I click, drag, and tra-la, I now have it much longer. Boom. Okay, now that's obviously not enough. Let's see. Now let's add some synth. No, don't want beats. So instead of scrolling, what I can do is this. I can go up into the instrument, and now I can see I have all these different ones. So you know what this needs? This needs some vocals. So notice some of mine are not downloaded yet. That's fine. I still have plenty other ones that I can do. So let's go. Cool. Now, I don't want to put it on top. That's going to just cover it. I want to layer my sounds. So let's have the vocals come in on bar 3, and I'm only going to extend it maybe 1 extra time. Okay, X out. And just for time's sake, I'm just going to find other random ones. We're just going to put them all together. Notice, even though it looks like I only have so much space down here, I can keep adding on the bottom to my little heart's desire, and it will keep on just making the project bigger and bigger. The problem is, if you try putting loops on top of each other, you're just going to cover the sound instead of getting multiple tracks at the same time. So obviously I put not a lot of thought into this, so I don't know how it's going to sound. Maybe I want this guy to be twice. Cool. Let's see what I created. You want to use this button. You can click back, and you'll get to the beginning. Or if you click go to the beginning button, boom, now I'm at the beginning. I'm going to click out of this guy real quick. So this tells you where it's going to start playing. So if this guy is all the way over here and you hit play, there's nothing on there. You're going to know that there's nothing being played. So always make sure you click the back button so then you know you're starting at the beginning. So let's see what I created. So obviously this is what happens when you don't put a lot of thought into it. You just get, some good stuff in there, but also some messy stuff in there. So try to make sure you're putting some thought into it. Really think about what you're playing and play around with it.